quick update on it's a traditional dish I'm cooking. See that? There's what we call ackee. Alright, normally you have that with swordfish. You can have it with pork bits like pork skin. I'm doing it with something, a Polish food, it's called jabrelka. And it's basically, it's like spare ribs, but there it is, that's the ackee at the moment. Those are the bits of pork, ackee, green peppers, sweet peppers, onions, spring onion. I just got it on low fire at the moment so I don't get it too burnt. Alright, but that's the ackee there. Okay, that's it, they're nicely cooking. There you go. That's the ackee there. That's a West Indian traditional meal, that is. Ackee and saltfish, ackee and pork, as I said to you before. Goes with fried dumpling or even rice, but the best thing is fried dumpling, fried breadfruit, stuff like that. That's what you have with ackee. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly make one for you, or make a couple and put them in straight. Turn the fire down a bit. Clean hands as always. I'm not even going to roll them. Basically, I'm just going to do them like that, and I'm going to just drop them in the oil. Like that, and drop them in the oil. So you just get a nice little bit and drop it in the oil. A lot of people sit there and roll dumpling. You don't have to roll it. You just, like that, straight in. And then I'll give you a look of what it comes out like when I actually finish. Just going to move a couple over a little bit so I can get a few more in. So you just break them off and in. Off again, I'll try and get them all in actually. And in. You have it on a medium fire or just a little bit below medium fire. Alright, that's the ackee. And I've cooked it with a Polish meat. It's basically spare ribs in England. Jabrelka. And that's the dumpling to go with it. That's one I did earlier, and for me to just show you what the texture inside is going to be like, I just break it and show you. Alright, and that's what it's supposed to look on the inside. Alright guys, just to give you a final look of what it looks like. Now you can see the dumpling are going slightly brown. See that? I'll give you a nice close-up. That's the dumplings they're frying at the moment. That's what you have with the ackee, yeah? That. I'm going to jump the gun. You have it with ackee. You just whack a bit of ackee on top. And oh, I can't wait to taste this.
So nice.
It's like I'm already eating it. Absolutely perfect. And that's it. Nice slow fire. You can't put it on a high fire because a high fire you will end up burning them, as I said before. Alright. Just take one out, and just to give you an idea of what it looks like, I'll put it on a plate and then you'll be able to see it even better.